I'm gonna be real with you guys. As soon as I heard that TPOB was making a trimmer with a really skinny blade, similar to, I'd say, like the Slimline Pro blade, I was very, very excited. And I was very happy to find out that it was on the Play platform. Look, you guys already know, the Play is my favorite clipper right now. It's the best clipper of 2024. It is my clipper of the year. It's undisputed. But we're not here to talk about the clipper. This is the TPOB Slime Play Bundle. This is the all-new trimmer and clipper combo. The trimmer is out just for pre-sale right now, and I was able to get my hands on it courtesy of the Pissed Off Barber. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today. You know, I've never used it. This is literally my first time opening it. I mean, I opened it earlier, but this is my first time opening it, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing, a quick overview. And you know, after a couple weeks, I'd like to make a review for you guys and just show you what it's all about. But if it's anything like the Play clipper, it's gonna be unreal. All right, so here's the box. Very premium packaging, very good feeling. It feels like there's a lot in here. So according to the box, it says it's got a 5-hour runtime. The XO Play blade, that's obviously the clipper. And then for the trimmer, it's got a 3-hour runtime with the all-new pencil blade. As usual, it's got the really nice cartoons around the box, which is always friggin' dope. And in the back, it just shows some information about the machines. You can pause it if you want. I just want to get in here. So obviously, you got your 2 machines and 2 charging docks. So underneath, you got your instruction manuals. Who gives a fuck? I don't know anybody who's ever actually read through this, but it's there. So you got 2 chargers here, beautiful. You got 2 screwdrivers, one for the trimmer, one for the clipper. You got your blade adjuster, you got a brush here, and then it's got your guards from 0 to number 4, which is dope. Here's the clipper. We're not gonna spend too much time on this because I already have a 6-month review on my channel. If you'd like to go check it out, but I love the slime green. This looks friggin' sick, dude. I just wanna quickly show you the other 2 versions here. So this is the regular version, and I actually have the unicorn blade on it, which looks friggin' sexy, dude. Look at that. I use this a ton, you can see by how beat up it is, but works beautifully. Here is the white version, another beautiful machine. I wish I had the white grips for this, but it's all good. It looks beautiful either way. And obviously the green one. So here are the 3 machines. Look how good these look. God damn. Anyway, you're not here for that. So clearly you can see it comes with 2 chargers. The beautiful thing that TPOB did with these machines is that the trimmer and the clipper have the same exact dock. So you don't need 2 docks in your station at once. If you wanted to just keep it minimal, just keep one on and interchange which one you're charging, because you're not using both at the same time anyway. I love that they did that. It saves space on your station. I only like to keep a few tools on the top of my station when I'm working. Here is the trimmer. God damn, TPOB really did it this time. Let's just take a moment of silence for this thing, dude. Look at it. Yo, look at that. This is crazy. I'm always so impressed with TPOB when it comes to how premium their top of the line clippers are. And not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I wasn't a fan of how heavy chested this bitch was. Like, this got triple D's, bro. But in person, I get why they did it. It feels really good to hold. This is like the perfect balance of a trimmer, honestly. It's not too skinny where it feels like it's gonna fall out of your hands, but it's not too thick either where you just can't take it. You know what I mean? So I just want to quickly compare the trimmer with the other trimmers that TPOB has to offer. So here's the X Deluxe and here's the Play trimmer. So honestly, they're very close lengthwise. The Play's got a little bit bigger titties. Little bit. It's a good mix between the X and the XO's body style. Here is the XO, just a size comparison here. So this is definitely a little bit heavier. It's all metal, just like the X, but a little bit longer. They both feel really, really good to hold, really good. I feel like the body style is a really, like, if the X and the XL, if they had a baby, I think that what would come out is the body style of the Play Trimmer. It's a really good in-between in terms of size. It's got the pencil blade right there, beautiful blade. This one's got the oil reservoirs. It's got those kind of ridges on the blade there. It helps keep it cool, glide a little bit better. It's got the LED indicator right there and the grips. So with the Play series, the grips and the faceplates are interchangeable. Look how beautiful this machine is. Wow. TPOB really did their thing with this. I can't wait to try it. I did watch a video by TPOB on how to adjust this blade. You don't even have to take it off the machine to adjust it. So this little screwdriver is what you'll use to zero gap your blade. I'm gonna quickly show you how. It's very easy to zero gap the blade. You don't even have to take it off the machine, which is sick. So you wanna take the screwdriver that comes with the Play, and you're gonna see that there's two little tiny holes at the very bottom of your machine. All you gotta do is stick your little thingy and put it in the hole. Make sure you're gentle, you don't wanna strip it or anything, or maybe you do, but you stick it in. All you have to do is screw, screw, screw until you're done with it, and then you can pull it out, all right? It's very straightforward, very easy to do. Anybody can do it. I've never seen that before on a blade. This makes it very, very easy to zero gap. So let's turn this on for the first time and let's see how quiet this thing is. Pretty quiet. That is very quiet. I'm not surprised with how quiet this is because the Play Clipper is very quiet as well. So I cannot wait to test this out. All right, so on the website, it says the TPOB Play is our patented modular trimmer. It's equipped with constant torque technology, which senses blade resistance and revs the motor up to speed. So it'll never drag, never stall. It's got the patented Acme motor that runs at 7,000 RPMs. It's the quietest motor in the industry. I can confirm it is mad quiet, bro. It's got a 3-hour runtime with 2 hours to charge, and it's got the new pencil blade, perfect for sharp lines and designs, oil reservoirs to keep the blade cool and smooth. And on the website here, it says it's 114.95 pounds, so whatever that is in US. Right now, I can only see it on the UK website, but they do ship worldwide. I do have a discount code if you wanted to save some money, and it will help support my channel a lot. If you use the code NOIR, you'll save 15% off your purchase at thepissofbarber.com, and that goes for both the UK website and the US website. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the clipper. Really excited to use it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you gonna pick one up? What do you think about TPOB? And what's your current rotation trimmers right now? Thanks for watching.